Hello students, in this 5th semester we are going to learn 3 papers. It contains 2 core papers and 1 elective paper. Organic chemistry and physical chemistry are the main papers, and the inorganic and analytical chemistry is the elective paper. And also you are having skill based elective. It's about chemistry of biomolecules. And one more subject is environmental studies. So totally you are having 5 papers. In inorganic chemistry, you will learn about halogen compounds and analytical chemistry oriented. And in physical chemistry, you will learn about thermodynamics, group theory, and etc. Now, I am going to cover organic chemistry. The first unit is aromatic substitution. So, you know benzene. It is the aromatic compound. So, in benzene ring, one hydrogen is replaced by some other substituent. For example, chlorine or amino group. So it is, if Cl is substituted, it is called chlorobenzene. NH2 is substituted, it is called aniline. Then CH3 is substituted, it is toluene. Okay. Now we are going to learn about the effect of substituents on further substitution. That is a second substitution. So, the electrophile is attacking a monosubstituent benzene ring. So, here hydrogen is substituted by electrophile. Generally, electrophiles are deficient groups, electron deficient groups. So, it seeks electron rich species. Our benzene system is a electron rich species. So the electrophile seeks electron rich species and the hydrogen is substituted by electrophile. So during the second substitution, there are many possibilities. If it is substituted in the second and sixth positions, it is called ortho substitution. Second and sixth positions are equivalent in benzene ring. Suppose it is substituted in third and fifth positions, it is called meta substitution. The incoming electrophile substituted in the para position, that is fourth position. It is opposite to the first substituent. Next one is, we are going to talk about influence of substituents. It is directive effect. Another one is activity effect. What is directive effect? The first substituent already present in the benzene ring, it directs the incoming substituent to ortho, meta or para position. Depending on the nature of the first substituent, the electrophile, that is the new incoming group, may be placed in ortho position, para position or meta position. So the first substituent directs the second substituent, ortho and para positions simultaneously. These substituents are called ortho-para directing substituents. For an example, take phenol. Here, the hydroxy group influences the substitution of electrophile NO2+. It directs the substituent NO2+ to ortho-1 para position. So the phenol on nitration NO2 group is substituted at ortho position with 53% and 47% of para product is obtained. The next one is about the meta-directing effect. Here nitrobenzene on further nitration gives meta-dinitrobenzene. So we are having 94% yield of meta-dinitrobenzene. This NO2 is a meta-directing directors. They are meta-directors. It directs the electrophile in meta position. Now we see some examples for orthopara directors and meta directors. Fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo, hydroxy groups, alkoxy, amino, and alkyl. These groups are coming under orthopara directors. And for meta directors, we have some examples. Nitro group, cyano, carboxylic acid, aldehyde, and keto, ammonium. These are meta directors. We will see about activity effects. The substituent already present in the ring may activate or deactivate the B.Sc towards further substitution. Orthopara directing groups generally activates the ring. Meta directing groups deactivates the ring. For an example, aniline, benzene, and nitrobenzene. They are having three compounds. Here, aniline reacts faster than benzene. Benzene which is faster than nitrobenzene. Aniline is a orthopara directors. That is NH2 group is a orthopara directing group. NO2 is a meta directing group. So this meta directing group deactivates the ring. The reaction is slower. Orthopara directing groups activates the. This activity effect is explained in terms of resonance theory. This resonance theory explains why certain substituents are orthopara directing, while others are meta directing groups. Now we are taking phenyl compound. Here the non-bonding electrons present on the hydroxyl groups involved in resonance. It undergoes delocalization. So the non-bonding electron moves into the ring. So you can see the resonating structures. So this resonance hybrid having negative charge on ortho and para positions. So the incoming group, that is the electrophile, attack at the ortho and para position. This resonance theory explains ortho-para directing effect of the substituents. Another one is aniline. Non-bonding electron present on nitrogen involves in resonance. So there are 4 resonating structures present here, and the resonance hybrid is represented. Toluene, the resonance is explained in terms of hyperconjugation, that is no bond resonance. This methyl group resonance is explained in terms of hyperconjugation. It is the interaction of sigma electrons instead of non-bonding electron pairs. So look at the resonating structures. Here, the sigma electrons involved in migration. They are having 4 resonating structures. Then we will see for example for meta-directing groups. Nitrobenzene. Generally, the nitrogen is less electronegative than oxygen atom. Oxygen is more electronegative, so it wants more electron. The electronegativity of oxygen is higher than that of nitrogen, so it attracts electron. So it pulls electrons from benzene ring. Because of this reason, benzene is deactivated. Benzene ring is deactivated. So when you see the resonating structures of these, we can see the plus charge present on ortho and the para positions. So already the incoming electrophile is electron deficient group. It wants electron rich place only. When you see the resonating structures, ortho and para position is already deficient in electrons. It is represented as delta plus. You can see in the resonance hybrid, the delta plus present on 2nd, 4th and 6th positions. That is ortho and para position. So the electrophile does not want ortho and para position. It wants to enter in the meta position. So we are getting meta product.